Hello everyone, my name is KAVYA NAIK and I'm a student of Computer Science and Engineering, first year, first sem. So the product that I have chosen is CCTV camera. So the company name is Home Appliances. Feedback collected during empathy, mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customer during the empathizing activity. Customer wants features like 3D mapping and face recognition for the better security. They expect the camera to detect suspicious or behavior automatically. They want to feel safe and secure using the product. The product should be easy to use and reliable to build that trust. So these four feedbacks were very common given by the customer during the empathizing activity. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirement of the customer, many new features are to be added to the existing product. So basically, based on the feedbacks and requirement of the customer, many new features is added to the existing cameras, such as 3D mapping and face recognition, then camera to detect suspicious behavior, and product should be easy to use and reliable to build the trust. So the futuristic product name is Vision Guard 360. We can also call it as VS Guard 360. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured due to the time constraint. The mentor advised us to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. So this is the existing camera which is on the right side, and the left side you can see the sketch. This is the camera and this is the close view of the internal camera with the added new features to it. As actual working models are not prepared, the testing stage is considered as the positive comment received for this presentation video. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stages. Thank you everyone.